Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Life at Sea. Today I'm going to show you the engine control room, known as the ECR. See, this is the ECR, engine control room. All engine room control are here. All machinery are and engine spaces control unit are here. So see, this is the main switch boards of all machineries, switches, and see this one the generator, diesel engine control. From here you can control from the start, and you can take off and take on load from here. See, this is all the circuit breakers of all machinery in the room, and this is the printer. This is the main engine control unit. This is telegraph. All switches are here. And see, this is the our monitors. You can monitor the all engine running machineries parameters. You can see the all pressure, temperature, everything is here. So you can control from here. This is called control console. This is the direct telephone, and see the control room is very nice. This is a new SIM. All policies are there. This is our tea table, and all manuals are here. You can see the safety gears are there, and 6 life jackets. That's our control room is very nice, looking very nice. So please like and follow. Thank you for watching.